Check it out, new rig finally came in. Looks pretty cool next to the Pete, they make a great couple. So it's a 2023 Kenworth W900L. I bought this truck brand new, right from the dealer. Been waiting a little while for it, but definitely worth the wait. Kenworth logo and the heat shield looks cool. Monster fuel tank, 3 fuel tank straps. It's an option, you can get it with 2 straps. Nice little storage cubby. Some cargo lights right there. Nice little deck plate. So it's pretty cool. It's got a 3/8 thick frame and it's zinc coated for corrosion resistance. It's important because I'm in New England. Holland FW35 fifth wheel. Everything is so rugged on this truck. Very rugged. Look at that 8-bag rear suspension. So it's got 4 airbags per axle. Whereas if you take a look at the Peterbilt, it's got just 4 bags altogether, like most of your other trucks. So it's got 2 bags per axle, and this thing rode awesome. No complaints the way this truck rode. So we'll see how this 8-bag suspension rides. Quarter fenders, just the way I like it. It's kind of weird. It's got 24.5 wheels in the front, but 22.5 in the back. 11R tires. It's so neat seeing everything brand new like this. Gabrielli Truck Sales, that's where I bought this truck from. They were great. Reverse lights, tail lights in the back. That's the way I like it too. I don't like all those fancy T-bars and stuff. Super 40 rears with 355 gears. Monster drive shaft. These are pretty cool right here. Never had these on a truck before. It's pretty neat. Some stickers on the frame, got to pull all those off. Right there's Kenworth air suspension. It's got a little step right there. I don't know, I kind of like without those, but that will come in handy because I want to put a door in the front of my trailer, make it easy to get in and out of. Another storage cubby right here, same as the other side. Got to grease that hinge up a little bit. Stainless def tank cover, a little bit smaller fuel tank on this side. There's the Kenworth logo, that's so cool looking. Right there's a block heater. It's pretty convenient having it around the side like that. Just plug it in the cold weather, makes it start easy. Certified clean idle. It's a good looking truck. Square fender light. I always thought that was cool, just the Kenworth thing. I always liked that. Even my old Pete has the light right there. Look at those 2 trucks. It's pretty crazy too because a few days ago, which is October 1st, 2023, is my 15th year in business. It's crazy to think I've been in business for 15 years. It's a lot of hard work, and that's the thing. If you work hard and you set a goal and you stick with it, usually you'll be pretty successful. So now I'll pop the hood open, I'll show you the engine. So right there's the Cummins X15. This is a Performance Series, the Ultimate and Efficiency Series. So this thing's 605 horse, 2050 torque, so it'll get up and go with that 18 speed. Fuel filter, oil filter, everything you see under a truck. Probably going to pull the stickers off the frame just to keep things cleaner looking.